The motor assembly consists of the motor itself, the drive gear, and the mounting plate. Over time, the motor can wear out, causing low power or simply not turning on. If it is overloaded, the motor can be damaged, causing excessive sparking and smoke or a burning smell. The drive gear can wear out over time and can eventually fail. Replacing the motor assembly is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless grills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the barrel assembly. Now remove 1/2 of the housing. Now I'll pull the motor, gearbox, and pump assembly away from the lower housing. I'll need to remove one more screw. Now I'll separate the pump and gearbox from the motor. I lift it away from the housing, twist it, and then I can separate it. As I do this, I want to be careful I don't spill the gears out of the gearbox. Now remove the motor wires from the motor. These are soldered connections, so I'll need to heat the wire to remove it. With the wires disconnected, now I can install the new motor. As I reconnect the wires, you'll notice that one terminal on the motor is marked red, and of course the red wire goes there. So I'll solder the blue wire to the opposite terminal. And now I'll connect the red wire. Now I'll reconnect the pump and gearbox to the motor. As I reinstall it back into the housing, I'll make sure that I align the gear selector with the transmission shift lever. Now resecure the pump body to the lower housing. Now I'll reinstall the housing. And now I'll reinstall the barrel assembly. And now you know how to replace the motor assembly in your grease gun. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.